Sulekha is having income of 30, consuming 2 goods, samosa and jalebi, whose price are 10 and 2 per piece. What will be Sulekha's total price of it if her utility is given as U is equal to XY and price of samosa is decreased to 5 per piece, but jalebi is remaining the same. So what will be her initial demand? So X will be alpha upon alpha plus beta M by Px. Alpha is 1, beta is also 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1. Income is 30. Px, price was initially given as 10. So it will be 1 by 2 into 3, 1.5. What will be the final demand? So it will be X is equal to alpha upon alpha plus beta M by Px dash. New prices. New prices given as 5. So it will be 1 upon 1 plus 1, 30 by 5. So it will be 6 by 2, which will be 3. What is the total effect? It is initial minus final, always. So 1.5 minus 3 minus 1.5, which is nothing but minus 3 by 2. Right? So the answer is B.